Casey was given some Valium today.
He said, I'm trying to get her to my mouth. I'll eat her.
No. We're going to film something terrible here. Good, Casey.
She's like, this feels really good. Massage, man. Head massage. Oh, he's going to bite her ear. He's going to bite her ear.
What every baby needs. Its own kitty.
Oh.
Especially not whacking him.